Want me to spell it out for you?
Hello, my name is Izan. Today we are going to make a recipe for chocolate cookies, so let's go with the ingredients. To make this recipe, we will need a bowl, a whisk, a spoon, a grater, an orange, an egg, 100 grams of butter, 60 grams of sugar, 120 grams of flour, a teaspoon of yeast, cocoa cream, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and this is optional, but I'll put the lacasiros so that it is more good. 10-20 minutes so that it is hot. First, we wash our hands. Give me the cloth, please. Thank you. Now, to start the mixture, we will add the egg. And then we will chop the butter and heat it. Also in the video we will do later when we mix all that the process. Now we add the sugar and mix again. Now we add the vanilla essence, and now we scratch the orange in the bowl, more or less to taste, and mix everything again. Now we will add the flour and the yeast, and we will mix it again. When it has texture that more and less can be handled with the hands, we will pass it to the table previously filled with flour and add balls to later put them together. Now, with all the balls that we have thrown, we will put them together to make it a single bowl. And the bowl will be such that. Come. Now we will put the dog for 50 minutes in the fridge.
15 minutes later, we take the dog out of the fridge.
Let's open the pitch. Here is the super dog. After removing the dog from the fridge, we will divide it into 12 parts, 12 medium bowls, such that now I crush them and we will put a little cocoa cream inside and we will close them again, making a sphere and adding mass. We do the same with the rest of the dough and flatten it with a little care to give it a cookie shape. Now we put them in the oven.
Minutes later.
This is the final result. The truth is the first time that I make cookies and they were very tasty. And finally, ¡Viva el Betis!